Satish Master 4919. Now we are learning 6th class chapter 1 numbers all around us part 2. Numbers all around us part 2. In this part, ascending order and descending order. Ascending order from smallest to the greatest is called ascending order. Descending order from greatest to smallest. So ascending order from smallest to the greatest. Here it is some examples. 4, 6, 5, 8. 4, 6, 5, 8. Which is smallest number? 4 is smallest number. 8 is greatest number. Ascending order from smallest to greatest. Answer from smallest first to 4. Next to 5. Next to 6. Next to 8. This is ascending order. Smallest to greatest. Next to second. In this row, which is smallest? 96, 64, 73, 83. Smallest is 64. Greatest is 96. From smallest to greatest. Yes, 64. Next 73. Next 83. Next 96. So from smallest to greatest. Next in this row 343, 694, 192, 992. 2. Smallest number, greatest number. Smallest to 192, greatest to 992. So first to smallest 192. Next to 343. 343. Next to 694. 694. Next to 992. These are smallest to the greatest, ascending order. Next in this row, which is smallest? 8,496, 29,845, 36,897, 1,26,845, 29,923, 38,962. So it is the smallest number. It is the greatest number. Smallest number and the greatest number. So answer 8,496. Next you will see 29,000, 36,000, 29,000, 29,845, 29,845. Next greatest 29,923, 29,923. Next 36 to 38. So next 36,897. Next 38,962. Next greatest number 1,26,845. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. You will see again 8,496, 29,845, 29,923, 36,897, 38,962, 1,28,845. So 1,26,845. This is ascending order. Okay. Next descending order from greatest to smallest. From greatest to smallest is called the descending order. Greatest, which is the greatest number in the row? So greatest number 78. Which is the smallest number? 23. So answer from greatest 78. So next smallest number 14. In this smallest number 14. 78. Next 44. Next 23. Next 14. Greatest to smallest. This is greatest. This is smallest. 78, 44, 23, 14. Next row. Which is the greatest and which is the smallest? 364, 469, 264, 199. 199 is the smallest. 469 is the greatest. So first greatest number. 469. Next 364. Next 264. Next 199. Next, in this matter, in this row, so answer, arrange the descending order. First 1,26,845, 8,496. So 38,962, 29,845, 36,897, 29,923. In this row, this is the smallest number, this is the greatest number. First descending order, 1,26,845. Next greatest number, 38,000, 29,000, 36,000, 29,000. So 38,000, 38,962. Next to 38,000, 36,000, 36,897. So 29,000 have 2, 29,923, 29,923. Next to 29,845. Next to remaining 38,000. Okay, 8,496. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1,26,845. 38,962. 36,897. 29,923. 29,845. 8,496. This is ascending order. This is descending order. Next we will go to first exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. Identify the greatest and smallest among the following numbers. Here it is. Some numbers. 6,67,456. 76,547. 15,476. 75,460. Which is greatest and which is smallest? So 67,000, 76,000, 15,000, 75,000. 76,000 is the greatest. 76,547 greatest number. This is the smallest number. 15,476. It is the smallest number. Next row, 64,567, 66,000, 8,567, 27,000, 2,74,347. Here it is smallest number 64,000, 66,000, 78,000, 2 lakhs. It is the smallest number. It is the greatest number. 2 lakhs. So greatest number 2,74,347. Smallest number 64,567. It's the smallest number. Next row 99,643. So any numbers you will write. Any number. I will write some numbers also. I wrote some numbers also. 99,643, 88,643, 77,643, 98,643. Which is the greatest and which is the smallest? This is the greatest. This is the smallest. So 99,643. 99,643. Smallest 77,643. So greatest to smallest. Next, write the given numbers in ascending order and descending order. We know what is ascending order and what is descending order. So ascending order from small to greatest. Ascending order. Which is the small? 75,645, 77,845, 24,625, 85,690. Which is the smallest? First to smallest. 24,625. From smallest to greatest. Next to 75, 77, 85. So 75,645. Next to 77,845. Next to 85,690. Ascending order. Next row 6,790. 27,895, 16,176, 50,000. Which is the smallest? Greatest. So smallest. It is the smallest. 6,790. Next to smallest 16,176. Next to 27,895. Next to 50,000. This is the ascending order. Next to descending order. From greatest to smallest. So 75,645, 77,845, 24,625, 85,690. So it is the greatest. You will start from greatest to 85,690. Next greatest to 77,845. Next greatest to 75,645. The last smallest to 24,645. 625. Next in this matter 6,790, 27,895, 16,176, 50,000. Which is the greatest number? From greatest to smallest. 50,000. Next greatest to 27,895. 27,895. Next to greatest to 16,176. Next to 6,790. So greatest to smallest is the descending order. Next to write the numbers in word form. These numbers write in word form. 73,060 and 2, 62. 73,000. 73,000 and 62 and 62. Next to ones, tens, units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 1 lakh. 1,80,565. 1,80,000 1,80,500 and 65. This units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, 24 lakhs, 45,505. 24,000, 4 lakhs, 24 lakhs, 45,000, 45,500 and 5. Next, last number. You will write any number. Units, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So 64,000 64 lakhs 36,962. 36,000 36,900 and 62. This is the numbers in written words. Okay, next video.